In this class we will explore some tools used to create surfaces. Open the available file and let's get started. First we will deal with the command network surface, which creates a surface in the space between curves in different directions, allowing to create a surface network between curves, between edges of other surfaces, or between 3D solids. In the Surface tab, Create Panel, we trigger the command network surface. We select the curves in a first direction, clicking on each edge in sequential order. At the end of selecting the curves in a first direction, we press Enter to confirm, select the edges in the second direction and confirm by pressing Enter. You see, we have a surface created from the combination of edges. In the sequence, we will use the PlanaSurf command, which creates a flat surface when selecting closed objects or specifying the opposite corners of the rectangular surface. In the Surface tab, Create Panel, we launch PlanaSurf and press Enter to confirm the object selection option. Then we click on each object that we want to be a flat surface, FollowUp. You see, we create 4 flat surfaces easily. Next, we will create a surface by transitioning profiles with the command Loft, which creates a solid or surface by specifying a series of crosscuts. That define the shape of the resulting solid or surface. In the Surface tab, Create Panel, we trigger Loft and click, in sequential order, on the geometries that were previously positioned. We hit Enter to confirm. In the command line we type S to access the settings and press Enter again. See that the settings box opens. Among the various finishing options, we select the option ruled so that the surface has straight lines between the cross sections. We click OK to finish. See the result, we have a surface created from the transition of profiles. Save and keep the file open, because in the next class we will follow up the surface modeling. We have seen in this class how to model surfaces with the commands network surface, PlanaSurf and Loft.